To SkVm Sudoku, I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 16, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 5th row and 6th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 8. Second row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column I and column J we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 8th row and 10th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H and 9th row we have pair numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I and column J we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and column D we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 9th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, column H, column G we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. We can confirm now 7 also here. Eighth row, 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column D we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 10th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 1. Column F also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column C we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and column D we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Third row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column C, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row and fourth row we have pair numbers 1 and 3. One and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column B we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Fourth row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D we have 7. Second row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. We can confirm 2 also here. First row, first grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column D we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fourth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 7th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column I we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column G we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. Column E and column F we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 6th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 7. Column G, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 6th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 6th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 8th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.